because of the cold wind that guides the raging winter. Not one of the birds yells or shouts under the leaves or through the greenery, for it is the summer with its great cheerfulness that they entwine with their certain joy. I hear neither song nor chirping, and I don't see a twig with flowers, but I have heard a strange rumor about joy who grieves without exaggeration, that constraint imposed by wickedness. Prowess is banned, and the wicked are considered the best. Long will they have conceded with their husbands the dishonor to the sharp-tongued crooked ones who disrupt a noble friendship. From among the ladies modesty has fled, and it is, and here it runs. Most have primped their cunt and drive the world into error, but their vile seed sprouts rotten grains when it bears fruit. Complicity has gone too far, whoring acquires further honors, and married men have seized it and have become womanizers. I like hearing one of them brag about it as much as seeing a dog need flour. As long as Marcabru lived, there was no love lost between him and those discredited people who are bad at giving and propagate a false doctrine in France and Guyana. As long as Lord Alfonso maintains a short peace, valor bows before him.